Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In the last video, we have covered the setup of Cloud Firestore, and in Cloud Firestore database, we have created the users collection which we will display in the Recycler view. In the Cloud Firestore database, the documents that we created inside users collection, it has three fields: name, age and from. Now in Android code, we need a model class to parse the data. In the package where our main activity is there, we will right click new Java class name users model. In the users model class, we will create three variables: name, age and from. Data type of name is string, data type of age is long, and data type of from is string. We will be required two constructors, one default and the other is parameterized constructor, and setters and getters. We could override the toString method also. In the main activity, we will declare recycler view. The recycler view we will create in activity main.xml file. Similarly, we also need to declare linear layout manager. Recycler view assign find view by ID. We need to create the recycler view. In the main activity XML file, we will create a recycler view. Layout width match parent layout height wrap content. As the parent layout is constraint layout, so we need to set the constraint start, constraint end, constraint top. We need to give an ID to the recycler view. Now in the main activity, find view by ID r.id.recycler view. Similarly, linear layout manager assign new linear layout manager. First parameter is context this. Second parameter recycler view dot vertical. Third parameter false. For recycler view adapter, we need to create a layout. In the layout folder, we will right click new layout resource file name user row. Here we will display only the user's name. First we will give the background to the layout. We will give margin top. For spacing between the recycler view rows, we require a text view for displaying the user's name. As it is inside constraint layout, so we need to give the constraints. Parent constraint layout height should be wrap content. We are giving text color, text size, text style, padding to the text view, and we are giving an ID to the text view. To see how to initialize Firestore, we will open Firebase Assistance. Click on Tools, Firebase Assistance. Here, click on Cloud Firestore, then get started with Cloud Firestore. And inside initialize Cloud Firestore, we could see the code to initialize Firebase Firestore. We will copy this line and paste it inside onCreate method. Now we will go to the documentation of Firebase UI. I have given the link of the documentation in the description. We need to copy this query and paste it inside onCreate method. Here, as you could see, my collection name is users, so I will replace users collection name here like this. Now again go to the documentation and copy the line Firestore recycler options and paste it inside onCreate method of our activity. Here in set query, we need to replace the model class to our own model class user model that we have created. Now we will create a viewholder class for recycler view. Viewholder class extends recyclerview.viewholder. Inside viewholder class, we need a constructor. Then we are writing a function bind for setting the username in the text view. We will first declare the text view, and inside viewholder constructor text view assign item view.findView by ID r.id.name. Inside bind method name.setTextView user model.getName. We will go to the documentation of the Firebase and copy this block of code Firestore recycler adapter and paste it inside the onCreate method of our activity, and we'll change the viewholder class name and the model class name. Inside onCreate viewholder layout file should be user underscore row that we have created. Inside the bind viewholder method holder.bind, and in the parameter need to pass the model. We need to declare Firestore recycler adapter globally, so we will place it here on the top and we will remove this. Now we need to set the recycler view layout manager, and in the parameter we will pass linear layout manager, and below adapter recycler view dot set adapter, and in the parameter pass the adapter. We need to override onStart and onStop method of activity, and inside onStart method below super.onStart we will write adapter.startListing. Similarly, in onStop method below super.onStop we will write adapter.stopListing. Because we have already initialized Firebase Firestore, so here in the query we could write like query assign db.collection. Now our code is ready to run. When I run the code, I face with this issue: cannot fit requested classes in a single DEX. if we Google it, the solution we will get in Stack Overflow. We need to add this dependency in our app level build.gradle file, and in default config block we need this multidex enabled true like this. Then need to click sync now on the top right. Now we could run the code. I have run the code in my real mobile device. Here as you could see, the recycler view is displaying and data is coming from the collection that we created in Firebase Firestore. In the next video, we will set on-click listener on the recycler view, on clicking of which we will open a details activity where we will show the user's name, is and from. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.